I definitely laughed first because I almost didn't believe it. When Richard told me he was going to have a laundry folding robot in our house, it almost sounded too good to be true. Having a baby now, I'm doing so much laundry that I can get all the help that I can get.
We all buy dishwashers and washers and dryers, and they have removed huge amounts of drudgery from the house, and that has allowed people to do more with their day. And this just felt like another addition, like another white good in the home. The most magical moment was like leaving a pile of stuff on the table that we have set up for it to fold, going out for the day and coming back and everything's perfect. Well stacked, socks paired, t-shirts crisply folded. You just think, okay, this is incredible. And that's just where they're beginning. A lot of technology has robbed us of our time. And I think the most magical thing about Weave is they are trying to build products that can give us a lot of our time back.
It's time very much well spent elsewhere.